I'm Iska Alter, Professor Emerita of English at Hofstra University. The writing of historical fiction, or rather the creation of fiction based on actual historical events, has been part of literary representation since Homer, if such a figure existed, since Homer wrote the Iliad and the Odyssey, if they indeed were history. But what does it mean for our knowledge of the past and the reading of literature when a fictional individual, or a series of fictive characters, or invented actions and thoughts enter into verifiable historical circumstances? Does it change what we think we know about what once really happened? Do we accept the fictional as truer than evidence of documents and archives? Is much of what we call history, in fact, and indeed, also part of the dynamic of storytelling? During our 6 weeks together at Encore Learning, from March 15th to April 19th, we will explore 3 contemporary American novels about the sin of slavery. And yes, I do use that word deliberately, at the heart of the national experiment as constructions of then and their relation to now. James McBride's The Good Lord Bird, Colson Whitehead's The Underground Railroad, and Toni Morrison's Beloved, in that order. It also might be helpful if we are to understand the connection of the historical narrative to its fictional counterparts, if you looked, however briefly, at information about John Brown and Harper's Ferry, about the Underground Railroad, and the case of Margaret Garner.